0x800f0805 in Windows 11. What causes this error? Error 0x800f0805 usually appears when Windows Update files are corrupted, system files are damaged, update services stop working properly, antivirus or drivers interfere with installation. Step-by-step fix. Fix 1. Restart Windows Update services. 1. Press Wins R. 2. Type services.msc. 3. Restart these services. Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Cryptographic Services. Then try updating again. Fix 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter, restart PC afterward. Fix 3. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. After it finishes, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC. Fix 4. Reset Windows Update Cache. Open Command Prompt as admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then delete contents inside. You can see the code in our conversation history. Now restart services. You can see the code in our conversation history. Fix 5. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus. Retry installing update. Some security software blocks cumulative updates. Fix 6. Free up storage space. Make sure you have at least 20 gigabytes free space. Delete temporary files if needed. Fix 7. Install update manually. Open Microsoft Update Catalog, search KB5083631, download version matching your system. Install manually. Fix aim clean boot. 1. Press Wins R, MS config. 2. Hide Microsoft services. 3. Disable startup apps. 4. Restart PC. Try update again. Final tip. Most users fix 0x800f0805 by running DSM plus SFC, resetting Windows Update Cache, installing update manually. Hack SEO description. Having trouble installing Windows 11 Update KB5083631 with error code 0x800f0805